Hi everyone, I'm Trupti Sharma. I'm working with 21K School from past 4 years and I'm head of legal and compliance with 21K School. Unexpected. So I think when you're working in legal and compliance domain, everything is unexpected. Seriously. Uh, because at times you have to face certain situations wherein you're not even aware of what uh, it would result into. Okay, so for me I would say everything is unexpected. They think it is only documentation. Detail driven. So I have an habit of writing down what all I have to complete in a day. So if whatever are the points, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I have completed all those points in a day, then it's a good day for me. I think my role is basically proactive, because generally we have to analyze the situations and we have to foresee what a particular thing will result into. So I would say it as a proactive. When it comes to compliance, it involves complying with lot of acts, regulations which government or regulatory authorities bring into picture. With respect to education, it involves students, lot of datas, lot of securities, and I believe compliance is important so that nothing goes wrong. Since we are at high stake, we are involving lot of people. You know, so when it comes to safe learning, I would say we have an inclusive environment for the learners. We also ensure that there are proper counseling sessions for the students who are facing some kind of anti-bullying or harassment. Uh, in case there are cases like this, then with respect to committees, we have various committees on board like POXO committee, which is especially for the learners. We also ensure that students and parents' data is safe and secure, and parents are also being informed about data usage and what is the purpose of collecting data. Whatever is the requirement as per the data regulations, that is being followed. So people assume that if their student is in online school or into digital space, they won't be able to get social interaction, which I believe is not true. Because when you are into digital space or online schooling, you get an opportunity to interact with students who are outside India as well, which is actually enlarging the scope of interacting with different people. Whereas when you're going to physical school, on a daily basis you're interacting only with I would say you won't even interact with 40 to 50 students in a class. So according to me, that is one big myth in with parents, which they presume that it is true. I've not come across any such incident yet. So I think for 21K offers more personalized and flexible education compared to physical setup, and I believe that is this is what makes 21K as distinct from other education providers. My role is something like that I need to get clarity in each and everything whatever I'm doing. I know at times it is difficult to find clear answers, but then my style of work is I usually try that whatever is being done is done within the boundaries, and what up till the what authority I have to do it. I think being right is more important, because when you are being right, it automatically gives makes it fair. So I think being right. think plays an important role in my work. One of the reason is my work involves a lot of confidential informations, and secondly, a lot of business aspects are dependent on the way I review certain things. So I think that's how trust is important. Work. At times I don't even sleep at night. So it's usually work actually, you know. So usually people think that the role of legal is, you know, only documentation, or they have like a standard template and, you know, they will uh, just give it to their customers and things will go on. But it's not like this. We have to get into the integrities of the documents. We have to review. We have to understand what risk a company might face. So these are the challenges, like something which might happen in future, which we are even not aware of as on date. So we have to analyze all these things. I think this is something which is challenging, and it comes from an experience. So that's the thing. I think our education system is ready with schools like 21K School, who are bridging gap between, you know, traditional style of education and the path where we aspire to be. It's focused, or in Gen Z terms, it's locked in. Risk. I think work well under pressure. This role has taught me how to be clear in your thought process and how to be responsible in each and every work. Okay, the future of learning needs more personalization.